Gaur laugarren eguna da. Today is day 4 of helping you speak Basque from zero. Say this with me. Gaur osteguna da. Gaur osteguna da. It means today is Thursday. The formula for answering the question from day 3, ser egun da gaur, is gaur, the day, da. We know gaur is today, da is, and in the middle, we put in the day. In Euskera, we always put the answer to the question right in front of the verb. So, osteguna da. Gaur osteguna da. Ulertzen duzu? Do you understand? If not, that's a great way for you to jump into Basque School with us and ask those questions where we can help you. Let's practice together. Praktikatuko dugu. Zer egun da gaur? Gaur osteguna da. Zure txanda. Ondo. Gaur osteguna da. Ondo. All right, down in the comments, I'd love for you to practice answering the question. Even if it's not Thursday when you watch this, if it's Friday, doesn't matter. I'm going to go through all the days every day. So, gaur osteguna da. Jarri komentarioan, right? Idatzi. Write that down. Gaur osteguna da. Bihar arte.